So next arithmetic instruction is CMP instruction, that is compare register with accumulator. Here we have to compare the content of register with accumulator. So format of this instruction is A-HL, means we have to compare the content of HL register with accumulator. Addressing mode is register addressing mode. Group is logical group, as it is a logical instruction, so group is a logical group. Byte 1 byte and all flags are affected. So these instructions compare the content of memory location whose address is stored in HL pair with content of accumulator, and comparison is done by using subtraction of content of memory location from the content of accumulator. So the content of accumulator remain unchanged. See here, the result of comparison is shown by following flags. If your accumulator content is greater than HL, then carry flag is set to 1, and if your accumulator content is equals to HL pair, then Z flag is set to 1, and if your accumulator content is greater than HL pair, then Z and CY flags are reset. So again I am revising. If your accumulator content is less than HL, then your carry flag is set. Okay, and if your accumulator content is equals to HL, then Z flag is set, and if your accumulator content is greater than HL, then Z and CY flags are reset. So let's see the example. If your accumulator content 25H and your data is 67H, then after executing this instruction, so your accumulator content is less than or greater, yes, less than HL, then your carry flag is set. Yes, see here, CPI compare, okay, so see here, your carry flag is set because your accumulator content is less than HL. 61 and 25, compare both of these so you can understand. So your carry flag is set, understand. So your CY is 1 and Z is 0, means reset. So next instruction is CPI data, that is a compare immediate data with accumulator. So these instructions compare the 8-bit immediate data specified in the instructions with the content of accumulator. So here is also comparison but with immediate data which are given in instructions. Okay. So these instructions compare the 8-bit immediate data specified in the instructions with the content of accumulator, and comparison is done by using subtraction of 8-bit immediate data from the content of accumulator. The content of accumulator remains unchanged. The condition is same as like above, that is accumulator is content is less than data, then carry flag is set to 1, and if your accumulator data is equals to given data, then Z flag is set, and if your accumulator is greater than Z, then carry flag is reset. So you have to remember all these conditions. Here we compare with HL register pair data, and here we directly compare with the data in a CPI, and CMP means